Have you ever stumbled upon something so extraordinary, so inexplicable that it sends chills down your spine? Picture this. The year is 2023. We're living in an era of technological marvels. Drones, once a figment of sci-fi imaginations, have become an essential part of our lives, revolutionizing our perspective of the world from the skies above. They've become the eyes in the sky, capturing breathtaking vistas, documenting uncharted territories, and even delivering our packages. But every now and then, they serve as a window into the unknown, revealing secrets that were supposed to remain hidden. Now imagine you're an ordinary person just like anyone else. One day you decide to take your drone out for a spin, expecting nothing more than a pleasant day of aerial photography. But as your drone soars into the sky, your screen illuminates with images that are far from ordinary. As your drone glides over the familiar landscapes, it suddenly captures something that doesn't belong. Your heart skips a beat, your grip tightens around the controller. What you see on your screen is not just unexpected, it's downright unimaginable. You pinch yourself, hoping to wake up from what must surely be a dream. But the image remains as real as the drone in your hands. You're not an explorer or a detective, yet here you are, staring at a discovery that could turn the world on its head. The drone, your faithful companion, has just thrown you headfirst into an unfolding mystery. A mystery that was never meant to be unraveled. A secret that was meant to remain buried. As the sun sets, casting long shadows over the landscape, you find yourself standing at the edge of an abyss, teetering between the known and the unknown. The ordinary day has turned into a puzzle, a question that demands an answer. What was supposed to be an ordinary day turned into an unfolding mystery that no one could have predicted. Imagine a quiet afternoon, the drone buzzing as it lifts off the ground, unaware of the enigma it's about to uncover. The sky, a canvas of blue punctuated only by the occasional fluffy cloud, provides the perfect backdrop for this seemingly routine flight. The drone, a marvel of modern technology, hums into the air, a tiny speck of metal and plastic against the vast expanse of the heavens. Below, the world unfolds in a patchwork quilt of green fields, winding rivers, and scattered clusters of age-old trees. The drone's camera, sharp and unblinking, drinks in the beauty of the scene, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity. The operator, a mere bystander in this airborne ballet, watches the live feed on his screen, entranced by the tranquility of the world from this bird's-eye view. And what a view it is! The drone skims over treetops, their leaves dancing in the gentle breeze. It soars above a meandering river, its surface gleaming like a silver ribbon in the afternoon sun. It hovers over a field where the wind plays with the tall grass, creating a hypnotic wave-like pattern. All this, captured by the unblinking eye of the drone, paints a picture of serenity, a snapshot of a world untouched by the hand of the mysterious and the unexplained. And yet, the operator, engrossed in this mesmerizing spectacle, has no inkling of the impending shift in the narrative. The drone, a silent observer, continues its journey, oblivious to the role it's about to play. It's just another flight, another series of stunning visuals to be recorded and admired. But is it really? Could it be that this flight, like the calm before the storm, is the prelude to something far more intriguing? And then just like that, the unexpected happened. The drone, hovering high above, captures something unusual, something that should not be there. This isn't just another day of casual drone flying. This, my friends, is the moment that everything changes. The drone operator, comfortably nestled in his chair, squints at his screen. A blob of incongruity mars the otherwise serene landscape unfolding before him. His heart skips a beat. He zooms in, the drone's camera focusing on the anomaly. It's a sight that doesn't belong in this tranquil setting. It's odd, it's peculiar, it's downright bewildering. He tries to shake off the feeling of unease creeping up his spine, rationalizing the anomaly as a trick of light or perhaps a glitch on his screen, but the more he stares at it, the more it gnaws at his sense of normalcy. It's like a puzzle piece that doesn't fit, a note in a symphony that's off-key, a word in a poem that doesn't rhyme. The landscape that was once familiar and comforting now holds a secret, a mystery wrapped in an enigma. The operator feels his palms growing damp against the controls. His heart pounds like a drum in his chest, the rhythmic thumping echoing the mounting suspense. He maneuvers the drone, trying to capture the anomaly from different angles. Each second that passes feels like an eternity. Each tiny movement of the drone adds another layer of intrigue to the unfolding enigma. The operator's mind races, trying to decipher what his eyes are seeing. His curiosity is piqued, his imagination ignited. This is no ordinary drone flight. This is a journey into the unknown. This is the moment when the unseen becomes seen, when the overlooked becomes the center of attention. This is the moment when the drone, a mere mechanical bird in the sky, becomes the seer of secrets, the revealer of the hidden, the key to a mystery that was never meant to be unraveled. As the drone hovers, the operator's heart pounds in his chest, the mystery deepens. With a racing heart and a curious mind, he decides to take a closer look. Our drone operator, in this moment of discovery, is filled with both excitement and fear. His fingers, steady on the controls, guide the drone closer to the mysterious anomaly. Each passing second brings a new layer of detail into view, and with it, a new wave of questions. The drone, a mere extension of his curiosity, hovers closer. The anticipation is palpable, like the moment before a thunderstorm, when the air is heavy with the promise of what's to come. He's not merely an observer anymore. He's become part of this unfolding mystery, his heartbeat synchronizing with the drone's rhythmic hum. He takes a deep breath, as if bracing himself for what he might uncover. The drone moves closer still, its camera lens narrowing on the anomaly. It's a dance of technology and human curiosity, a tango between the known and the unknown. The drone's perspective changes, revealing more of the anomaly. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, each one revealing more than the last, yet leaving the core hidden. The image on his screen is now clearer, yet the mystery only deepens. It's a riddle wrapped in an enigma, a puzzle begging to be solved. The drone operator, engulfed by this enigma, can't tear his eyes away from the screen. His heart pounds in his chest as he maneuvers the drone even closer, the boundary between fear and fascination blurring. This anomaly, whatever it may be, has become an obsession, a siren's call he cannot ignore. His mind races, trying to make sense of what he's seeing. The drone hovers closer, its camera lens focused, unblinking, on the anomaly. He's on the precipice of discovery, a breath away from truth, a heartbeat away from revelation. And then, the drone unveils the unexpected. The image on the screen sharpens, the details crystallizing. His breath catches in his throat. The anticipation gives way to a cold realization. What he sees next sends a chill down his spine. Before his eyes on the screen lies something so extraordinary, so inexplicable. The drone operator, a man accustomed to seeing the world from heights unattainable by most, is taken aback. His heart races, his breath catches in his throat. He has seen many things from the vantage point of his drone, but nothing, absolutely nothing like this. His hands tremble on the controls. His mind races to comprehend what he's seeing. It's as if reality itself has been twisted, warped into a form that defies understanding. His eyes widen, his pulse quickens. He's on the edge of his seat, the image on the screen seared into his mind, imprinted in his very soul. The drone, a silent observer, hovers in the air, its camera trained on the incomprehensible. It captures every detail, every nuance of the scene unfolding below. The operator, a mere mortal, can only watch in awe and wonder. He feels a chill run down his spine, a prickling sensation that sends goosebumps across his skin. The image on the screen is haunting, mesmerizing. It's like nothing he's ever seen, yet it's something he can't tear his eyes away from. He's drawn into the mystery, the enigma that unfolds before him. He's a part of it now. A player in a drama far larger than himself. He's caught in the throes of the unexplainable, the inexplicable, the utterly bizarre. The world around him fades away. The drone, the screen, the image, they're all that exist. He's lost in the spectacle, consumed by the enigma. His heart pounds in his chest. His breath comes in short, sharp gasps. He's on the precipice of something monumental, something earth-shattering. The drone operator, a man who has seen the world from above, is now faced with a mystery that defies all understanding. A discovery so stunning, so mind-boggling that it leaves him and us in a state of suspended disbelief. Can you imagine what it might be? The footage, raw and unedited, holds the key to the mystery. This is not a tale spun from the threads of fiction. This is an account, pure and untarnished, of an ordinary drone operator who stumbled upon the extraordinary. In the solitary confinement of his control room, the operator mulls over his decision. He is a silent sentinel, his eyes glued to the footage that has turned his world upside down. He grapples with the enormity of his discovery, the potential implications it could have. It's a heavy burden, knowing something that no one else does. A secret, shrouded in inexplicability, that has chosen him as its keeper. He realizes, though, that he cannot keep this to himself. The truth, no matter how bewildering, must be shared. So he takes a deep breath, his hands hovering over the keyboard, his heart pounding in his chest. He uploads the footage, sending it spiraling into the vast digital cosmos. His discovery, once confined to the solitary space of his control room, now lies bare for the world to scrutinize. But what does the footage contain? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We don't want to spoil the surprise now, do we? The operator has chosen to keep us in suspense, to let us uncover the truth in our own time. He has not given us any hints, any clues. He has simply given us the footage, raw and unedited, to sift through. So we are left to our own devices to unravel the mystery that lies within these digital frames. We are to piece together the puzzle, to connect the dots. The footage is a riddle, a conundrum wrapped in an enigma, waiting to be solved. To those who dare venture into the unknown, remember this. The footage, once seen, cannot be unseen. The mystery, once unraveled, will change your perception of the world. It will challenge your beliefs, your understanding of reality. Are you ready to take that leap? Are you brave enough to face the truth? Only time will tell. Scene script. Are you ready for the revelation? Brace yourself. Now we've reached the summit of our journey, the zenith of our curiosity. It's been a wild ride, hasn't it? From the drone's first flight to its unexpected discovery, from the unseen being revealed to our closer look at the unexplainable. We've been on the edge, teetering between the known and the unknown, between the seen and the unseen. Like a detective piecing together a puzzle, we've sifted through the footage, frame by frame, second by second, seeking answers. We've been led down a path of intrigue and suspense, a path that now culminates in this very moment. The anticipation is palpable, isn't it? It's as though time has slowed, each tick of the clock echoing in the silence, each heartbeat pounding in rhythm with the seconds. This is it, the moment we've all been waiting for, the revelation. What has the drone captured? What mystery has it unearthed? What secrets has it brought to light? The possibilities are endless, aren't they? It could be something mundane, something ordinary, something we've seen 1,000 times before, or it could be something extraordinary, something that defies explanation, something that challenges our understanding of the world. But the truth, as they say, is often stranger than fiction. And in this case, the truth is something no one could have predicted, something no one was supposed to see. Our journey has been a testament to the power of technology, to the allure of the unknown, to the human thirst for knowledge. It's been a journey of discovery, of exploration, of revelation. And now, at the end of this journey, we are left with more questions than answers, more intrigue than resolution. But isn't that the beauty of a mystery? The thrill of the chase, the joy of the hunt, the satisfaction of a puzzle well solved. And even though we may not have all the answers, we have something far more valuable. We have the revelation. What you are about to see might just change everything. Now the question remains, what exactly did the drone capture? So far, we've journeyed through unexpected discoveries, taken flight with our drone, and revealed the unseen. We've gotten a closer look at the unexplainable, reviewed the footage, and even had a mind-blowing revelation. Yet we're still left standing on the edge of a precipice, staring into the abyss of the unresolved. In the final scene, we caught a glimpse of what the drone has captured. A fleeting image, a moment frozen in time, a scene that defies explanation. It was there, and then it was gone. Like a mirage in the desert, it left us questioning our own perception. Was it real? Was it a trick of the light? Or perhaps an elaborate illusion? The footage, as compelling as it is, leaves us grasping at straws. We've seen it with our own eyes, yet we're still left wondering, questioning, doubting. We've been given a piece of a puzzle, but the image it forms is still unclear, incomplete. We're left with more questions than answers, and the answers we seek seem to be just out of reach. Yet isn't that the essence of a great mystery? The tantalizing allure of the unknown, the thrill of the chase, the insatiable curiosity that drives us to seek answers even when they seem elusive. This drone, our silent observer in the sky, has given us a taste of that mystery. It has opened a door into the unknown and left us standing on the threshold, peering into the darkness. The mystery remains. What did the drone really see? Was it a glimpse into a hidden world, a secret kept safe from prying eyes? Or was it something else entirely, something beyond our comprehension? As we delve deeper into this mystery, we must remember that not all secrets are meant to be uncovered. Some mysteries are better left unsolved, some secrets are better left undiscovered. Perhaps this is one of them. The mystery remains, what did the drone really see? Perhaps some secrets are better left undiscovered.